Hi all and welcome back. So today in this video let's discuss about how to display product prices as tax included and excluded in Odoo 14 website community. So tax included means that you sell a service or product at same price for all customers at all times in all countries. So the excluded tax amount will be all time the same, and the taxes will be calculated before payments during the checkout and added to excluded tax price depending on your customer evidence. So let's see how the price is displayed you see in this in our website. So let's go to website and go to configuration settings, and there we can select in what way the product price need to be displayed. Okay, so under pricing section you can find the option to set the product price, how to display the product price. So product price displaying in website catalog, it can be tax excluded or included. So by default it is set as tax excluded. So let's see how this works. So for that, let's choose a product. Let's open a product and see the tax set in it. So here we have our published products. So let me open acoustic block screens. So we can edit this product page, and here we can see the sales price is 2,950, and we can set a customer tax for this product. So I have set tax 15%, and okay, I will save this. So we have set to display product price as tax excluded. And now when you go to website, and to our e-commerce shop, so when you search for a product, so you can see the tax is not included in the price. So you can see the total sales price. Okay, so from here we can add to cart. Okay, so here we can see the tax excluded price, and here we can see the tax applied on the product. So here if you reduce the quantity, okay, so now we can see the sales price and the 15% tax is applied. So and it is added with the sales price, and we get a total amount that need to be paid. So this is how we display product price as tax excluded. Now let's go to website and change the website settings. Okay, changing to tax included, and now save the settings. Okay, now when you go to your website and try to purchase that product, I am purchasing the same product, acoustic block screens, and we can see now the tax is included in the product price, sales price. So here we can see the price, and we can add this product to cart, and here we can see the price is tax included. Okay, now we can reduce this quantity. So here we can see total amount. Now we can process checkout and make the payment. So this is how product price is displayed as tax included and excluded in Odoo 14 website.